Hi, how's it going? So this is my dorm room and I'm gonna renovate this into a room that I prefer as a creator. Also I do games sometimes, so keep that in mind. The wallpaper, I applied it before this video as it was difficult to record. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So this is the final setup and all the links for products are in the description below. If you wanna have some tech advice or suggestion, do hit me up on Twitter. I'm always active there. And over 20% of you are subscribed to my channel and I couldn't thank you enough. So this is for all for today's video and see you in the next one.